Hey everyone, welcome back. I want to work on a subsystem today. So let me give you a quick background on what I'm building. I'm building Planic. Planic is a event planning, AI-based event planning platform, which brings uh, multiple. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Let me show you the idea first. I was working on updating some libraries, so looks like I have left some uh, errors and it is not yet building correctly. I will fix that before we go into the coding, of course. So let me show you Planic. I'm building this and it brings three sides of the micro events economy or space. The hosts, which are just people like normal people like us who wants to celebrate our small ceremonies, like 10 to 50, 5 even now, 5 to 50 people. You can have your Thanksgiving dinner with friends, or New Year small party, or 4th of July, or a barbecue, whatever you want. And you want to have vendors in it, so you can actually find vendors which can make that party, that gathering memorable and have some fun. So like you want to bring in a cotton candy stall, or a hot dog stall or some street food or some music, stuff like that. So that's the other side of it. And then the third side is the event planner. It's possible that hosts might not have time or are not that experienced in handling maybe a larger event, or they just don't have time to do it. They would probably want somebody to handle it on their behalf. Yeah, I know there are businesses, but my whole focus of building Planic is to bring a freelance gig economy on this platform, so that people in the community who wants to just make money on the side, they have maybe full-time jobs, or they are homemakers, or they are retirees, or they are between jobs, or it's just their passion, they just want to do something as a side business. So freelancers and small businesses and side businesses, I don't want to work with or focus on corporate business or established businesses. I'm really I feel a connection with the freelancers, so that's what I want to build for. So even the event planners are independent solopreneurs, freelancers, and they are the people in your community. They are like the friends of friends who have handled an event you have seen in the past. You ask your friend, hey, give me the number of your friend who handled that event for you. I want them to work for me too. And that's how they know they can, and their style is appreciated. They are part of your community already, so that's what it is. And the idea is that I want to build a feature when I invite somebody like a planner, for example. I say, hey, come join my platform. They would log in, they would create their account, they would then eventually log in, and then I want to give them a way to invite my network. So refer my network, basically. So a new area here, but it's possible for all three sides. So I want to add it as a subsystem which can be used by all three types of users on this platform. So the hosts, the planners, and the vendors, anyone can invite somebody else. And I have a little homework done on how I want to do referral bonuses for that. So if the people you invite join, and then they are active and they actually utilize the platform in the, let's say, the next 3 months or the next month. 3 months would be a good time, I would say. If they use the platform and create an event, if they are like a host, they host an event through this platform, or if they are a vendor, they do, let's say, 3 events in the next 3 months through this platform. You who you referred to, you are going to get some points for that, and those points should be meaningful. I'm still doing market research on those, on what is a good referral bonus and how to use it, whether it should expire or not. I don't mind keeping it. It shouldn't expire. But yeah, that's the plan. Okay, so let's first fix this problem here, and then go ahead. So I was here. No, I closed that one. Let me open that again. Radix this. Okay, now this is from my previous session I was working on, so I need to close this and then start the new chat there. Now make sure the libraries build and the Planic app starts successfully. I am already running the app on port 8085, so you don't have to run it. Okay, let's see what it does. So while it's doing it, what I have been trying to do in my system design here on the left side is I go ahead, I have a bunch of systems I'm planning on working on here, and some of them have already started. I have already started implementing them. So number one was user onboarding, which I did yesterday, and the waitlist pre-launch lead system I did a couple of days ago. And then today I was thinking of which one to do, and this is the referrals and reward system is the one I want to work on. So I'm going to create, the way I do it is, these are all of course work in progress, as they are just thoughts for now. And then here I'm going to create a folder for it. As the number is 05 referrals and rewards system, right? And then I keep 3 files in it. 1, 2, no, it should be 3. I don't know, I thought I had it. Anyways, it should be 3. And then here also it should be 3. Okay, so then I should have 3 files here. So let me put this one here, and I'm not sure if this should be the overview, but one overview. Yeah, like this. Okay, and then in here, let me delete that and put this here. Add this here. Okay, we will start it eventually. Let me check if my app has started. Still not working. npm install dependencies are not installed yet. Let me install them. Okay, well, do it. So what I have found in the past couple of times when I was building on these other 2 systems is that I chatted with ChatGPT or Google Gemini in the browser somewhere else. Where is my browser? Here. So I chatted with this or this about these subsystems, but I'm not happy with the process there. I'm not happy with the outcome there. These work in progress building blocks, these are the results. All of them are populated. They have a lot of information in it, but all of this came from Gemini, actually. Yeah, this one. So I had it keeps deleting. Okay, so Google Gemini keeps deleting my threads too, so it's not a reliable place anyways. And then whatever I had, I can't show you anymore, but whatever I had, I copied them over to these files. And what I do now is I take the initial file and I try to divide it into 3 files, like overview, design prompt. Design prompt means what do I ask this AI coding agent, and then the implementation plan, the one it generates, goes into implementation plan. But what I've seen is that Cursor does not consume whatever I give it very well. It just builds something which is not according to or in like on the same page as this documents I have spent some time on. So today I'm going to not do that. I didn't like the return on the effort I was putting here. So today I'm going to just take this file and ask it to review it and maybe talk with me a little more and rewrite it basically, and then also generate the next two documents. It's I don't even need the design prompt. That's the part which never helped in the past two discussions I did with it. The way it works better is if I write very very simple in very very simple terms in this chat window itself. So these markdown files, although they were very detailed, cursor didn't actually follow much of it anyways. So today I'm not going to ask for a design prompt. It will read this overview file, then I will do some prompting with it, very natural language, and then I will ask it to just generate the implementation plan and save it here. Got it? That's my process to test today, and I will see if I'm happier with the implementation it does, or the plan and the implementation and the code quality and that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is taking a long time. Oops, sorry. Okay. Why is it taking so long? Is the internet not good? Let me just start the other one. Fine. I don't care. Alright. My prompt here, which I said I don't need a system prompt anymore, right? Okay, so review this doc. Ask me questions I wanted to discuss with me. Discuss the date and discuss with me on system design and implementation. System design, architecture, and implementation. Okay, review this doc. Ask me questions. It usually asks me a clarifying questions. I don't have to tell it to do it, but yeah, we will do a plan. Then save the final implementation plan in the same folder as a file named 3 implementation plan.md. Okay. Debate and discuss with me on a system design. Review this document. It's just an idea, not something we must stick to. Okay. I don't want to do too deep a prompt, but let's say I would follow engineering best practices, dry, solid case principles, code reusability, Reddick, the wait list library for reference and existing patrons to follow or improve if necessary. I would use Redux UI. Use Redux UI in the library. What else I want to do? There was something coming to my head. Reduce Redux library. This system needs to work for any platform and any React app. For example, I want to be able to integrate it with the Planic as well as her snap platforms with minimal configuration. Let's see. I will review the referrals and reward system document and the waitlist library to understand existing patterns, then discuss the design with you. Got it. Okay. And let's see while it's doing it, did it fix my app? It did not. This doesn't make sense. Something is wrong. Let's check. Let me start this again. I should do npm install myself. What is the primary scope for this library? The document mentions both reward systems and referrals. And reward systems, should this library cover points reward systems only, earning, spending, redemption, catalog? Referral system only, both systems, integrated referrals and points, manage both. Both systems are separate packages that can work together. That one, yeah. Then for the back end, the document suggests a hybrid approach. Do you want services only? Service library only. Hybrid is fine. Then the system. Okay. The system has two distinct user types. Should the front-end library include user-facing components only? You balance redeem this admin components only? Both but in separate exports, model, AM, rewards, user, together. Both in one unified package with role-based component rendering. Alright, both. The document mentions a rule engine for point calculation with JavaScript formulas. This introduces security concerns. Should we keep rule execution backend only? Frontend just displays rules. Yep. Yeah, I think. You mentioned integrating with Planifig. Yeah, and her map. Which should be prioritized? Planifig first. It's Planic, not Planifig. Event planning. Planifig. Yeah. I think let's do this one. Okay, if we include referrals, how should referral codes and links be generated and tracked? Backend generated unique codes on user request, deterministic codes based on user ID. Users create custom referral codes? No. URL parameter tracking only, no explicit codes. Ha. I don't know. Continue. Okay, So let's go here. It has already fixed my problem. So let's see. I can close this now, and let's see how it builds. Questions. How should the two packages integrate when used together? Loose coupling, referrals, trigger points, via backend events, direct integration, shared state. Loose coupling, of course. What state management approach do you stand like on user onboarding, React context API, mixed hooks for simple, complex? Yeah, mixed, right? So you stand. Yeah. How should data fetching be handled? Bring your own library concepts, accepts data as props. Library adapter pattern like waitlist, HTTP adapters, some built-in logic, integrate API client library handles all fetching. I'm not sure, but how should data fetching be handled? Mm, um, let me think. How should data fetching? Front end. Integrated API client library handles all fetching internally, like waitlist HTTP adapter. Mm, this one. Should the library support real-time updates? For example, points, balance changes, new rewards. No. Polling. Yes. WebSocket. Yes. Service and events. Support both. So, points, balance changes, new rewards. Yes. Servers and events. The doc mentions business partners. Should the front-end library include business partner management UI? Huh. What is business? Yes, but admin only. For platform operations, yes, public display of partners. Hmm. Both. Okay, partner, business partners. Yes, public display of partners. For example, a redeem at Starbucks. I am not sure. Both. Whatever. How should we handle styling for maximum flexibility? Fully headless, only logic, unstyled Redux primitives with class name props like waitlist. CSS variables, multiple prebuilt themes, define minimal modern custom, unstyled. Continue. Okay. 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 Um Perfect. Now I have all that and it has the system here. You will save the plan in that folder, right? Okay, I can't send it. So let me read this plan for now, and then it has not saved it. So okay, where is? I don't understand this. Where is the plan? Design and implement view plan. What is going on? Why is this plan so simple? View plan. It's not doing it. Okay. I don't know. Here. View plan. Oh, okay, that was the wrong file or old file. Okay. Okay, wow, it's just a little slower right now. So, referrals and reward implementation plan, executive summary. We will create two separate packages that can work independently. One would be rewards, the other would be referrals. Referral system: invite friends, track referrals, generate codes. Makes sense. Earnings, spendings, redemptions. Okay. Both packages follow the waitlist library pattern with headless structured domain. This radix. You have primitives, class name properties. U stand for state management integration with API, role based component rendering admin user. Architecture overview. Let's see what this is. Oh, well, okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Here. So what does it do? Applications, Planic. It's not Planific. Her map app. Oh, okay. I don't know. I have not worked with this thing before. It's very confusing. Okay. Why is this going this way and this going? Oh, because it's both of them. Okay. Planic will use reward system and referral system. Come on. Oh man, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So both of the apps will use both of them. Then the libraries will use reward core, headless logic, referrals core, headless logic. And then they will use backends independently. Referral service, Sonnet API, reward service, Sonnet API, referrals core logic library, BE rewards core logic library. Okay, that's fine. Let's put it back here. Something, yeah, the name. The name is not Planifique. The name is Planic, not Planifique. Okay. Okay. Then front end structure, rewards, UI, schema, packages, referral. Yeah, that makes sense. Domain, UI, schema. Library, referrals, same structure. Two services, two libraries. Okay. Libraries, BE rewards. Key design decisions, loose coupling between packages, patterns, event driven integration. In referral service, when referral is successful. Reward service processes the event and awards points. State management, pattern similar to user onboarding. Okay, types, domains. Okay, let me close this and see if it has updated it. What have? Okay. Let's build it. Let's build it. And it didn't tell me how long will it take. But we will know how long it will take. It's 10:15 p.m. right now, and a system like this, in my eyes, would take 2 months, like 4 sprints with 3 or 4 people working on it full time, because people do not design it that well. So they okay, yeah, I think it will take four sprints, about at least 4 developers working, but of course the other support staff is always there. Scrum master or product owner or product manager or tech lead, stuff like that is always an overhead. So those people, and meetings will take time. And this one is just happening right now in front of us. And we will be able to just view it here eventually. I think I asked it to do both. So let me start another service, the other service too, the her map, and see how. Yeah, her map is started on 88, 88. Got it. Okay, her map is here. I'm not sure where it will integrate it, but we will see. We will see this. I like Sonnet 4.5 very much. It actually has a great mind. So I am looking forward to work with this great mind here, and it will tell me. We will discuss it. It's like a good, very good partner. So these are the two apps, and I'm hoping that we will be able to integrate these libraries in both of them in a meaningful way. Um, so let me tell you some about the HerMap project. Is that HerMap is to connect women professionals um, with trusted businesses, and also to give women based how women friendly those businesses or those locations, even public locations, are. um, and that is determined by women rating those. So we would have women rated businesses, and then also we would have something called FIRS certifications, which I can show you here. Is that they would have us, they would, businesses would be certified. And how is that criteria? Professional, the performance breakdown. So equitable design and safety, health and well-being, access and affordability, leadership and representation, and economic empowerment. Those are the criteria on which the businesses would be judged. And then the women friendly features. And then here, what makes these this business, this is a fake business, this is just a mock business. These are the criteria, like they checked all the boxes in each category. That's why they are a platinum certified business. Another here is a gold certified business. So yeah, this is the second one. So what happens in this in way of referral and reward is that if you want, you can invite a business, for example, to be referred, to be onboarded to the platform, or you might want to refer them to be awarded, like be part of the voting maybe. And also once people can actually earn rewards for doing different things like rating, reviewing, referring, all of that. It's a community based platform. Once you do those activities, you are supposed to earn mm, some points from that. So that's the reward system. And then eventually you want to spend those rewards somewhere on the same businesses. So those businesses who are certified or part of the network are going to accept those rewards from this platform. So we need to have a way for that to work too. So those are my two systems I'm working on, and I think both this referral and reward systems are going to be used in both of them. Let's see what it has built so far. It has rewards, yeah. Okay, so it has started building these two folders here, rewards and referrals. In the package, yep, it looks good to me. I'm not going to review everything tonight, it's going to be late. I hope to be wrapping this up in about 15 to 20 minutes maximum, half hour. We started 5 minutes ago, so it has done a bunch of work, but it's not yet finished. Now let me save. Okay, plan. What has it done so far? I wonder if the UI part is done, right? Yeah, the UI part is done. Okay, so then the integration has to come. Like it needs to be integrated into this to both of these platforms. Let me plug in my computer. Okay. So next steps, incremental. Let's read this. It says implementation completed. Hey guys, it took 6 minutes to completely write the libraries, the referral library and the rewards library. Let's see if it also built the services. Yeah, it built referral service and reward service too. Oh goodness. In 6 minutes. In my eyes, this would have taken about 4 developers, about 4 sprints. Okay, I have worked, and if I was working alone on these things by hand, it would have taken me 2 to 3 sprints myself, like 3, maybe 4 even, just working alone as well. Okay, so what it did was in 6 minutes, it did some iteration of that implementation. Businesses and product owners, I want to ask you or pay attention here. Your engineering team, AI augmented engineering team like myself, we can now deliver value in minutes to you. We can build, iterate on MVPs so much faster. If you and I talk and understand the system requirements today, I can get you something at least working locally, if not production ready, within the same day. It's that fast. And then we can iterate on it, and then we harden it, then we QA it, we test it, we manually test it, we stress test it, and we make it production ready iteratively. Okay, so yeah, just pay attention. And yes, this is the future of software engineering. AI augmented lean teams. This is so exciting, and this is a future I will really enjoy working in, because I love to work at the time of the day, like tonight. Within minutes, I'm able to start visualizing which areas do I need to pay more attention to, where does the AI have performed better, where has it delivered not so good value. So it's really, really good. Okay, I am really impressed and I'm really excited. So let's read it. Backend libraries completed. BE rewards. Where are those backend libraries? They are also here. Yeah, so oh man, it created 4 libraries: BE referrals, BE rewards, referrals, rewards. I wonder if I should start doing front end or UI with it word. Referrals, front end referrals. No, naming could get out of hand soon in such a big monorepo. Yeah, or anywhere. Anyways, okay, so it created 4 of here and 2 services here. Lots of work. Rule engine with safe formula evaluation, points calculation for balance management, transaction processor for point movements, redemption validator with tier quantity checks, balance validator, with daily lifetime limits, formula parser for safer thematic expressions, BE referrals code generator, deterministic from user IDs, link builders for social sharing, tracking system for clicks and conversions, fraud detection patterns. Wow, I have to really review and see these things in action, but yeah, it had done some work. Complete database schema rewards, schema prisma points account redemption. Yeah, database is very important. I will have to review it very in detail over the next couple of days. So one thing, caution, uh, is that AI can generate a lot of code in 6 minutes, as you saw. the I have to catch up with all that code, all that implementation. So yes, as a first, like a rapid prototyping, it's really good, but to make it production ready, I still have to review all this code, go over it in detail with a like at human, like the human review is very important. And I can also make it a little faster by asking it to self review first, but yeah, that is not something I can handle in 6 minutes or in like today's setting, because I am getting um, tired right now. So yeah, just remember that code generation itself is not the only thing. You still have to review code, which takes time. But it's still 10 times faster, believe me. Okay. Uh, I mean, like, this is great. I have to review it anyways. But I want to start integrating it, okay? So I want to see headless architecture, multi tenancy, real time updates, server sent events, adapter patterns, work with any backend, type safe, TypeScript, dry, solid, and kiss, loose coupling, and reusable. Packages, as I was telling you, 4 libraries, 2 of these. Next steps, incremental. The foundation is solid and ready for use. Remaining work can be done incrementally. Yep. API, modules, implement controller, service route, files, UI components, build Redux based component as needed, integration, connect to Planic and HerMap. That's the one I want to start working on, and then I will identify what UI components it needs. So keep that all, and I'm going to do a quick integration. Let's start with the 3 integration with Planic and HerMap. While doing that, we will identify the 2 UI components as needed, and let's plan again. No, not plan. Okay. Discuss with me on discuss with me and ask me questions on where in each app should we integrate the referrals and rewards systems. Let's see. This is exciting. So I have some idea. I think it should be in the left navigation after they are logged in, on the Planic, and on her map. I haven't yet implemented login, so I will have to test it without the login functionality for now, but we can revert that change. I just want to battle test the library system with 2 applications. So okay, let's see. Now I need to ask strategic questions about where rewards and referral fit in each app. Okay. For Planic, event planning platform, what actions should earn points? Select all that apply. Sign up, complete onboarding. Yeah, sure. Main dashboard, all Oops, it did not let me select all. Create an event, book a vendor, leave a vendor review, yes. Complete, host an event, no. Successful referral, subscribe to premium features, complete event planning tasks, use budget tracking features. So only these ones. Sign up. If you sign up and complete your onboarding, you earn something. You create an event. I don't think so. Complete or host an event. You earn more points? No, I don't think so. Book a vendor. Subscribe to premium features. No, that should not. Complete event planning tasks. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Do I gamify it and make them earn points on everything? Well, let's gamify it. Wow, that's a new idea. Gamify the whole thing. So then people will be earning points, but where will they use it? Okay, where should Planet users see their points balance? Select primary, location, main, dashboard, navigation bar, always visible, profile, drop down menu, dedicated rewards page, floating widget. Not main dashboard, dedicated rewards page. Yeah. And also that. Main dashboard, no. Profile drop down menu, no. Floating widget badge, no. Where should Planet users be able to redeem points for? Yeah, discounts, yes. Let's see. Premium features, upgrades, no. Premium event templates, no. Priority customer support, partner business offers. Let's do it on this, and then partner business offers. Let's do this. Okay, and then where should Planet users see and share the referral code? Dedicated refer a friend page. Yep, that's what I want. Profile account setting after successfully completing an event. Main navigation manual. Where should Planet users see the referral code? I'm not sure. Nice, nice, nice. These questions are great. Where should... Okay. For her map business directory, does it currently have user accounts? User can create accounts. No, but we plan to add user accounts. Okay, yeah. No. For her map, what actions should earn points? Sign up? Sure. Leave business review. Add claim a business. Verify business information. Successful referral. Check in. Add a business. Share business listings. Complete user profile. Add a business should earn you points. I think. I'm not sure. Create. Recommender. Subscribe. Okay, then what should her map users redeem points for? Discounts, yes. Premium membership features, gift cards, yeah. Special offers, donate to causes, profile, badges, achievements. Okay. For Planix, three roles, even this should rewards be unified. Same point system for all roles. Role specific. Different earning rules per role. Hybrid. Okay. So if somebody is with the same multiple roles, unified same point systems for all roles. Role specific, different earning, but specific earning opportunities. Shared balance. Role specific. I'm not sure. Okay. Cool. See, that's why I think I wasted time trying to go ChatGPT or Gemini. Cursor can ask much better questions. For Planix navigation, where should the reward referral items appear? Main navigation bar alongside dashboard events. Okay. User drop down menu, rewards in main navigation, secondary utility. Main navigation, yeah. For role specific earnings in Planic, which roles should earn different amounts of points for the same action? Vendors earn differently, they provide services versus consume. Same base points but multipliers based on oh god. Same. Some actions are role specific, only certain roles can do them. Earning in Planic, which roles should earn different? Yeah, okay. hmm Since her map doesn't have a user count yet, what's your preferred approach? Build user authentication system, build minimum auth, integrate rewards are full now, ready for what not is added. Okay, and then what's your preferred integration approach? Complete Planic integration fully, then start her map MVP for Planic, then her map MVP. Yeah, I want to go together because I want to see where the gaps are. Uh, Slower but demonstrates reusability. Yeah, this one. No, this one. Mm-hmm. Who needs admin access to manage rewards? Multiple team members, different admin roles. Admin features can come later. Start with API. Who needs admin access to manage rewards? Just you, multiple team members. Okay. Then, which UI components should we build first for Planic? Points, balance, display. How to earn, redemption, referral code display, and sharing points transaction, minimal version of all. I want to see it all. Okay. I want to start. Alright, I guess I don't think I can do any more right now. This plan needs to be read and still building. I think I will come to it tomorrow at some point, and I will do another live session with you all. So thanks for watching and catch me again tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Have a nice